How to move a 36-inch refrigerator with Airsled hover blades. This video is part of Airsled's hover blades video series and will demonstrate how to move a 36-inch fridge weighing 500 pounds. It will also offer tips and recommendations for optimal hover blades performance in this type of situation. This 340-pound fridge was loaded with 120 water bottles to bring its total weight to nearly 500 pounds to help demonstrate Airsled hover blades performance. Slide the 36-inch hover blades air beams completely under the fridge's base so they extend past the rear. Firmly connect all the hoses to the T-connector and hover blades air beams. Connect the hover blades 60-inch lead hose to the shop vacuum's 2.5-inch blower port by pressing firmly. Turn shop vacuum on to activate the Airsled hover blades. You can now easily and safely move this nearly 500-pound fridge. Airsled hover blades give you omnidirectional capabilities to easily move heavy items in tight spaces with precise control. The stability of Airsled hover blades performance even lets you move a full fridge without disturbing its contents. These next scenes offer tips and recommendations to get the best possible performance from your Airsled hover blades. Pushing the load at the base with your foot can help with the move. Airsled's foot brace is designed to create a pedal you can press with your foot for improved maneuverability. Pushing or pulling a load from a high position will create lean and tilt and make the move more difficult. Apply force from waist height to help keep the load more upright and stable during the move. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.